What do we mean by AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It refers to the intelligence demonstrated by machines, in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. AI enables machines to mimic cognitive functions such as learning and problem solving, allowing them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. What is text data analysis? Answer. Text data analysis is the process of examining and understanding written or typed information. It involves using techniques to uncover patterns, trends, and insights from text data. For example, when you analyze text messages to find out which words are used most often or study customer reviews to understand their opinions about a product, you're performing text data analysis. It helps us understand what people are saying, identify important information, and make informed decisions based on that data. How do smart virtual assistants work? Smart virtual assistants, like Alexa, work by using advanced technologies such as natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning. When you speak to them, they listen to your voice and analyze what you're saying using NLP. Then, they use machine learning algorithms to understand your request and provide a suitable response or perform a specific task. These assistants continuously learn from user interactions, becoming smarter and more accurate over time. So, essentially, they work by understanding your voice commands and using technology to assist you in various tasks, making your life easier. Write 2 examples of best chatbots online. Answer. 2 examples of popular chatbots online are ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced chatbot developed by OpenAI. It can engage in conversations on a wide range of topics, provide information, answer questions, and even generate text based on the input it receives. Mitsuku. Mitsuku is a chatbot developed by Steve Verswick. It has won the Loebner Prize Turing test multiple times and is known for its ability to engage in natural and entertaining conversations with users, often providing witty responses and jokes. What are the steps involved in analyzing images by intelligent machines? Analyzing images by intelligent machines involves several steps. Image acquisition. The first step is to capture or obtain the image using a camera or other imaging devices. Pre-processing. This step involves cleaning and enhancing the image to improve its quality and make it suitable for analysis. It may include tasks like resizing, noise reduction, and color correction. Feature extraction. Intelligent machines identify important features within the image, such as edges, textures, shapes, and colors. These features help in understanding the content of the image. Pattern recognition. The machine compares the extracted features with patterns stored in its memory or learned from training data to recognize objects or scenes within the image. Classification. Based on the recognized patterns, the machine categorizes or classifies the image into predefined classes or labels. This step helps in understanding what the image represents. Decision making. Finally, the intelligent machine makes decisions or takes actions based on the analysis of the image. This could involve tasks like identifying objects, detecting anomalies, or making predictions. How many types of AI are there? What is ANI? There are mainly 3 types of AI. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI, refers to AI systems that are designed and trained for a specific task or a narrow range of tasks. These systems excel at performing specific tasks but lack general intelligence or the ability to understand and learn across a wide range of domains. ANI is like a specialized tool or a focused expert in one area. For example, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, which can understand and respond to voice commands, are examples of ANI. ANI is the most common type of AI that we encounter in our daily lives. All systems can learn and adapt as they make decisions. Comment. AI systems can indeed learn and adapt as they make decisions. This capability is often referred to as machine learning, ML, which is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI. Here's a simplified explanation. Imagine you're teaching a robot to play a game. Initially, you provide the robot with some rules on how to play. As the robot plays the game, it learns from its experiences. For example, if it loses, it might analyze what went wrong and adjust its strategy for the next game. Over time, through trial and error, the robot gets better at playing the game, adapting its decisions based on what it learns from previous experiences. This ability to improve performance over time is what we mean by learning and adapting in AI systems. What is the broad difference between AL, DL, and ML? Answer: Artificial intelligence, AI refers to machines or computers that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It's like giving machines the ability to think, learn, and make decisions on their own. Machine learning, ML machine learning is a subset of AI that involves teaching machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's like showing a computer lots of examples and letting it figure out patterns on its own. Deep learning, DL deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to model and understand complex patterns in data. It's like teaching a computer to think in layers, with each layer learning to recognize different aspects of the data. What do we mean by prediction in AL? Answer: Prediction in AI refers to the ability of AI systems to forecast or estimate future outcomes based on past data and patterns. It's like making educated guesses about what might happen next by analyzing information from the past. For example, an AI-powered weather forecasting system uses historical weather data to predict future weather conditions, like whether it will rain tomorrow or how hot it will be next week. What are chatbots? Answer: Chatbots are computer programs or AI systems designed to simulate human conversation through text or voice interactions. They can understand and respond to user queries or commands in natural language, providing assistance, answering questions, or performing tasks. Chatbots are commonly used in various applications, such as customer service, online shopping, and personal assistants like Siri or Alexa. Explain natural language processing. Answer: Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. It involves teaching computers to comprehend and process natural language data, such as text and speech, similar to how humans do. NLP techniques are used in various applications, including virtual assistants like Siri and chatbots, language translation services, sentiment analysis, and text summarization. Write a short note on deep learning. Answer: Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves training artificial neural networks with large amounts of data to learn and make decisions like humans do. It is inspired by the structure and function of the human brain's neural networks. Deep learning algorithms consist of multiple layers of interconnected nodes, neurons, that process and transform input data to generate output predictions. Deep learning has shown remarkable success in various tasks, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, autonomous driving, and medical diagnosis. Give the names of major sectors where data science is applied. Answer: Major sectors where data science is applied include banking, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, transportation, and education. How is data science applied in field of finance? Answer: In the field of finance, data science is applied for various purposes such as fraud detection, risk modeling, investment analysis, credit scoring, algorithmic trading, and customer segmentation. For example, Banks use data science to analyze large volumes of financial data to detect fraudulent activities and to assess the creditworthiness of loan applicants. What are the uses of data science in transport sector? Answer: in the transport sector, data science is used to analyze patterns in transportation systems such as traffic flow, public transit usage, and vehicle performance. By analyzing this data, transportation companies can optimize routes, improve scheduling, and enhance overall efficiency. For example, data science helps in predicting traffic congestion, determining optimal routes for delivery trucks, and managing public transportation services to reduce delays and improve passenger satisfaction. How can data science be applied in field of healthcare? Answer: in healthcare, data science is applied to improve patient care, medical research, and operational efficiency. For instance, data science helps in analyzing electronic health records, EHRs, to identify trends and patterns in patient health, predict disease outbreaks, and personalize treatment plans. Additionally, data science is used in medical imaging to assist in the diagnosis of diseases such as cancer and in genomics to understand genetic factors influencing health. Overall, data science plays a crucial role in advancing healthcare by providing insights for better decision making, improving patient outcomes, and reducing healthcare costs. What are the applications of text analytics? Answer: text analytics is used in various applications such as automated ad placement, social media monitoring, competitive intelligence, and more. For example, businesses use text analytics to understand customer sentiments from their online reviews, monitor social media conversations about their brand, and extract insights from large volumes of text data. What are the 7 basic steps involved in text analytics? Answer: the 7 basic steps involved in text analytics are data collection, text preprocessing, cleaning, tokenization, parts of speech tagging, named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, text summarization. How is text analytics used in business enterprises? Answer: in business enterprises, text analytics is used for various purposes such as customer feedback analysis, market research, competitive analysis, and trend forecasting. For example, businesses use text analytics to analyze customer feedback from surveys, reviews, and social media to improve their products or services, understand market trends, and gain a competitive edge. Give examples of image analysis techniques in different fields. Answer: examples of image analysis techniques in different fields include 2D and 3D object recognition, used in robotics, autonomous vehicles, and quality control in manufacturing. Image segmentation, used in medical imaging to identify and segment different structures in images, such as organs and tumors. Facial recognition, used in security systems, mobile devices, and social media for authentication and identification purposes. Satellite image analysis, used in agriculture for crop monitoring, urban planning, and disaster management. Microscopy image analysis, used in biological research for cell counting, morphological analysis, and disease diagnosis.